Hello, this is our weekly market alert video for the week ended July 2nd, 2021. And boy, this year's already half over. But more importantly, it is the 4th of July weekend. And so I want to wish all of you a very happy 4th of July. And I hope you'll stay safe. And I hope that this is a day, at least one day this year, that we can all rally behind our flag and we can all rally and be patriotic together and not have and set our politics aside. So I hope that will happen on July 4th, and I wish you all the best. Last week we got jobs numbers, and the jobs numbers continue to improve. More people are going back to work. And as you guys know, there are two numbers that we look at when it comes to how we view the recovery and the economy. The first one being the unemployment rate, of course, but the unemployment rate is just a percentage of people who are looking for a job that cannot find one. So if you're looking for a job and you can't find one, you're considered unemployed. But there's also a whole group of people who are the ones who are not looking for a job, and therefore they're not considered unemployed, even though they're not working. So that number is called the labor participation rate. And that's actually the number that we look at more carefully than we do the actual unemployment rate. So even though the unemployment rate is improving, the labor participation rate right now is a little over 61%. So what that means is that 39% of all the people in this country who are of working age do not have a job. And so what that tells us is that there's a lot of people that have not gone back to work yet. The stimulus is still keeping them, getting their bills paid for. And they're smart, if they can make ends meet without having to go back to work, why wouldn't they? So we think that that'll change and people will start going back to work. Once that happens, then we'll start seeing larger profits for companies, and profits tend to lead to higher stock prices. And so we think that what we're headed for is continued rises in the market. So this is still a buying opportunity, despite the fact that I think we've had 3 new all-time highs since the last time we spoke a week ago. So I encourage those of you to think about investing, and if you don't, make sure you talk with your retirement planner about the best way to do that, and we'd be glad to help you. As always, we have our invest and protect strategy ready to be implemented in the case of the market suddenly turning. That always is in our front view mirror. We're always looking for that bear market and where you could be harmed financially, and we always want to protect you from that. So we want to worry about all this stuff so that you don't have to, and we wish you all the best on this 4th of July. By the way, our show is podcasted, so I would encourage you to subscribe to it. Go to iTunes or on our website, and you can subscribe to the podcast so you can listen to the show whenever you'd like to. And then also make sure that you like us and share this video with your friends and family on Facebook and all your other social media. All right, so thank you for watching this, and we'll talk soon.